Welcome all of you. In this video you are going to learn about the MOSFET characteristics. MOSFET characteristics. See that one MOSFET, gate terminal, drain, source. So there are the three terminals in that MOSFET. Okay, gate to the source you are going to give that one. So you are going to through the small ranges of the RPS 0 to 15 voltage. Okay, this is for that one triggering purpose. So resistance triggering method you are going to give on that one. Okay. So whenever you will going to vary the resistance, it will go to the voltage. Okay, for example 2.5 voltage, it's a required voltage to turn on the MOSFETs. Once 2.5 voltages you are applied, the MOSFET switch is on. So once the MOSFET switch is on, then gate current, what is that one, high ID current. So ID current, it will going to start to flow. ID current start to flow. So here you will going to vary either source or that resistance value. You will going to vary to note down the ID current, drain current, that is called drain current, versus the VDS, drain to source voltage you will going to measure. So this is about the characteristics. So set as a constant VGS. There are two characteristics it consists of. One is a transfer characteristics, another one is called output characteristics. I am telling about output characteristics. What is output characteristics? I am set as an input as a constant. Input is what is that one, VGS. So VGS is set as a constant. So for example, I have set it as a VGS is equal to what is the voltage? 2.5 voltage. I've set as a constant. And then so take down the reading of ID versus the VDS. ID versus the VDS. So I will going to take down. So that's all. So VDS is vary the voltage 0.2, 0.6, 0.5, 1 volt, 2 volt, 5 volt, 10 volt. So voltage VDS is increase. VDS is increase. What about ID current? ID current also increase, and after that it will go to saturate. Saturate means constant. See here, it will go to see that one. So initially both also linearly increase. After that is saturated. Saturated means ID current is saturated as a constant. So this is a VGS is I have set as a VGS 2.5 I said. So you may be right about that second reading 3.5, 4.5. So like you will go to variation of that one, you will do that one. This is called output characteristics. Set as an input as a constant and vary the output to take down the readings. So just look at this is a circuit diagram. So this is about that gate. Okay, gate to the source voltage. Another one is that is output current, even ID current versus the VDS, output voltage. Okay, so I'm not apply. This is for low, bottom side RPS for that one gate purpose. Another one is the top side of the RPS for that one output purpose. See, I'm not apply for that gate triggering. Okay, without apply the gate triggering, I will going to apply for that higher ranges of the power supply for that output side. See, we will going to see about the voltage and then versus the current. Okay, I will going to vary the knob. So what about that one? Voltage is a flow. The voltage potential drop between the 2 points. What is the point? Drain to the source is the variations. Okay, look the circuit diagram. So here only I am variations. When I will going to vary this one. Okay, the switch is open. Due to the open the switch, no current is a flow. Due to the open the switch, no current is a flow. See, I have varied that one. So variation of the voltages I have applied. Okay, variation of the voltage I am going to apply. But what about the current? Current is become a 0 only. So current is maintained as 0 only. Okay. Then I will going to give the triggering. So gate triggering. So gate triggering I am going to apply. So I will going to set it about 2.5. So I will going to give the gate to the source. So 2 voltage. Yeah, 2.5 I am going to give as an input voltage. Once I have set, okay, output I am not giving for the source on the drain to the source. Okay, I will going to switch on. So once I will going to switch on, then variations I will going to start to vary. So see that one. The output current is a drain current. Output current is a drain current. It is start to increase. So it is output voltage. It is output voltage is increase. Output current is increase. So 1.69 milliamperes. Then output voltage 2.66. Like it is both also increase. Okay. So like about that both also increase. So this is about that output characteristics of the MOSFET.